हेलो गाइस,
नमस्ते दोस्तों,
वेलकम टू आवर न्यू व्लॉग।
ये नई वीडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और टुडे इट्स नाउ अराउंड 8
No, 9.
okay,
We
but
woke up at 8:30.
we woke up at 8:30 and we
I woke up
slept
at
so
8.
we slept so late
क्योंकि
because
कल हम वो एक कपल बोले थे ना, हमने इंडियन साउथ अमेरिकन कपल।
yeah, we went to meet them, so we spent so good time with each other that suddenly I saw time was 12:30. We reached home.
हाँ,
So I was like shocked. And then today, from like 4-5 days before, our time was fixed that we have to go to pottery.
first time I'm
This is
going.
our first time, but in my childhood I did.
Really?
When I used to go kindergarten, I remember that we had pottery session also.
Oh, we didn't had anything.
No, kindergarten, not school.
But we used to go and
Because it
play
was
in mud.
private.
We used to make something with hand.
Oh, it's good. So now we are going,
Hmm.
and I'm so excited. My sister-in-law also is coming with us.
Actually, we
We
wanted
wanted
to go.
and take her.
But it's so late.
Yeah.
We are late already.
That's why Bhagwan called. And what you said?
I said, come with Ola or Uber.
So bad.
No, because it will take so much
Yeah,
time. Because we have to go like straight, but because of my sister, then we have to go like this. Then again we have to go like this. So it's like 20 minutes extra is showing. So I thought it's okay. Come directly there.
Yeah. Now she's coming. We are also going. We'll show you there.
Okay.
Let's go. Bye.
So guys, guess what? I thought ki na we bought.
In 200 meters, turn right.
We bought car, so I thought ki na no need to wait, but I am wrong.
I'm always late. Always. I
But I like 1 minute please. I want to do this one. 1 minute please. 10 minutes gone.
I did blue makeup today.
I love different colors she's putting. So now I told my sister you come directly there because it will be so late. So we are going.
So late.
So we'll show
Even
first
for
time.
us also it's late now.
I think for us also it's
I
late.
hope we will reach before 10.
Mm.
So this is our first time we are going for pottery in India. Actually, for my birthday,
Turn
we
right.
used to go, but then we changed our plan and we went to that trampoline park. Trampoline park, we went?
No,
that one was your birthday.
my birthday. For your birthday we didn't went anywhere. You were ill.
I remember. So now we thought like, now let's go.
Okay.
And with our sister-in-law, because she's also alone, so we thought let's go together and we'll enjoy together. Right now, wait, let me say one thing. Because of Indians so much pressing horn, automatically bad words, not so
In
much bad
Persian
words.
language she's saying.
Not so much
I
bad
know
words.
you don't know that much bad words. I don't think. Or you
No,
know.
I know, but I never use so
Because
much bad words.
see, it's traffic. Where we can go? Still they are like pee pee pee
That's why
pee.
Farsi bad words are coming from my mouth. Like,
मैं I don't know what she's saying.
no, meaning of whatever I'm saying, like mostly I'm saying Zahramar means poison of snake. So it's not
It's
like
like
it's
snake.
that much bad word, but it's like I'll get empty. There, no? I'll get empty from.
So guys, we
Eyesight.
reach on
So
time.
Good. So good effort.
Our beta is so smart. 9:55. So before 5 minutes we
Yesterday,
reach.
Bhagwan was so much scared, like.
It's not because of beta, because Indian people.
Yeah.
You saw how they were driving.
And I used to be so much against pressing horn,
Horn.
but I understood that in India it's not like this.
Horn means like you are telling them ki we are coming.
I'm coming. Please
I'm
wait.
coming. Please
that's
give
why-
side or
yeah.
please wait.
Or means see me.
So horn have different meaning based upon situation.
Because in Iran, horn doesn't have like this meaning. So that's why I was like, why this much they are pressing horn in India? I was getting mad. And in Iran, normally they don't press horn. Only they press if someone is trying to, it's like, is not understanding and is going to hit you like that. They only press like that. But in India, I observed they press horn to say like, because so many people are in the street. Okay, I'm coming.
I'm
wait.
coming, wait, or give side.
Yeah. So now we are waiting for Bhagwan's sister
अरे
because we were so late. That's why it's good you said to her come alone.
otherwise we will come here at 10:30
Because now it's
but our session is 10 to 12
it's 9:57
Ah.
we reached. So it's like on best time we reached to this place. And I think she will also come.
in 1 minute she's reached.
1
She's
minute?
coming.
Okay, that is good.
Okay, guys, I will show
Chalo,
you.
we'll show you guys how is the place. And I think it's cafe.
Not cafe, here only. Art, pottery. Guys, see pronunciation.
No, it's mentioning
Pottery.
It's mentioned pottery or
Art cafe.
So it's cafe also.
I think everything is there.
Mm. Let's see.
Guys, we came, it was closed. They give 10 as timing. What is time now? Can you press? 10:05.
10:05.
Now they are opening.
But
So
this
slow.
woman who is worker, she was saying from 9 she's sitting here.
She's thinking she's waiting from 1 hour. What should we say?
It's so sad.
Guys, now we have to choose one design.
Actually, she's coach. She's the coach. So she's teaching to people and she's saying all these things people made by their hand.
Okay.
Yeah, all of the students. So she's saying you can choose what you want to make by your hand.
Okay, then choose what you want to.
I think some cup is good.
चॉइस कर लीजिए फिर आप लोग आ जाइए इस रूम में शुरू कर
Okay. She's saying select and come.
What should we choose? This one is so cute.
Okay, then take that one.
या
No, we should choose different things.
दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग
This one also so cute. Huh?
Arre.
Or this one is like heart. Heart shape.
Okay, I will take that heart shape.
Yeah, you take that one.
दैट वन कैन आई चूज दैट फ्लावर वन
This?
या
Okay, my sister want to make this one, Beta want to make, I think this one, or maybe she'll change.
Any other animal is there or something? Check.
And I will take this heart. Different things they made. Oh.
Wow. And here also they put picture from people.
Ah.
They came here. Oh, this one also is so cute. Huh?
Arre.
So guys, each person has to choose one product. Bhagwan chose
Top
this one.
one, that
Yeah.
bus you say,
I
I don't know.
chose this one.
Plate.
And sister also chose this one. So now we have to go in that room and we'll start making. So now I think she will mix it with water.
आप लोगों ने पहले कभी क्या है
What?
You did in past, she's
In
asking.
my childhood I did.
With wheel?
No, with wheel no, but
Uh-huh.
yeah, with hand. Even I remember my family once bought this for children. One smaller wheel was there, they bought, so we were trying, but we were not able to do.
एक ले लिसन
Okay. Okay.
आवाज आ तो इधर उधर बोलते काम नमिता नमिता इस पंच दीजिए ना एक साइड हाथ सपोर्ट ये हाथ पानी से नीचे की तरफ प्रेस इस पंच दोनों हाथ बंद करके पाम से करना ये हम लोग तो करते हैं एयर बबल रहता है इसमें
हाँ।
वो रिमूव करना
Two, 3 times you have to do like that, so air will go outside, whatever is the air bubbles and this thing.
पाम से नहीं करने का ये दो फिंगर
क्या बोले?
फिंगर में प्रेस करने का
You should not touch with finger.
Okay.
Only with this palm.
Okay, okay.
Beta is ready.
Now it's our turn to do. By watching is so easy, but when we want to do, then we can see we are not able to do. I'm sure. So as she said, I start right. So guys, see, it's like this.
Put water on here.
That is so good. It's like children playing with mud. But it's hard also. By watching is
By watching is easy.
एक हाथ कर नीचे टच करिए
They don't give pressure.
एक हाथ में टच एक टच
Okay.
थंब से पुट जस्ट सेंटर
Thumb put straight inside.
बस अभी तब निकालिए क्योंकि नाखून है ना आप इसके बाद अभी दोनों साइड सपोर्ट केवल सपोर्ट टच करिए दोनों साइड
हाँ.
palm से
Both
press
thumb.
करिए
Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Oh.
ओपन करिए
Open it like pull outside slowly.
ओके बस
Wow.
हैंड क्लीन करिए
I cannot believe what I'm doing.
हाथ निकालते समय एकदम स्लो निकालिए
Slowly remove hand when you are removing.
स्पंज से अंदर से थोड़ा क्लीन करिए
Don't give pressure, okay? Just is for cleaning. It's just for cleaning.
स्पंज
Do na cleaning.
Oh, with sponge.
Huh, with sponge. Slowly. Don't give pressure.
कैसे लगाना पड़ेगा नीचे से ले ऊपर फिर से करिए
Same lifting out.
हाँ अच्छी बात है
Lifting is hard.
Slowly.
व्हील को टच करिए एकदम नीचे
Touch your downside to wheel. That other hand.
ऊपर आके प्रेशर इतना नहीं लगे एकदम स्लो
And pressure is so less here, dude. Not like so much pressure.
Oh, I understand.
यस अभी आप करिए
So, Bhagwan, what you're doing?
I am playing with mud.
Now I made for myself. So Bhagwan also is making one cup. Now he just started. First he was recording from me. Now he started to make. She's teaching him. She's saying for inside cleaning, you need to use a sponge. Like this.
प्रेस करिए
Bhagwan is so much focusing.
तो प्रेस करिए
Bhagwan, now where are you?
Now I have to do a bit clean.
Okay.
Then I have to make dry. Then I have to give heart shape.
Oh,
It's for you.
thank you.
So Bita, what you are making now?
Now I am making like ear shape for the hanger.
ऐसा देने का
No, no, open with the right hand.
थोड़ा इसको हेड राइट साइड ड्राई करिए
You are removing your
और
cup.
छोटा कर दीजिए
I'm scared.
No, nothing will happen. Don't worry.
पीछे
Oh, very good.
बस अभी बेस पकड़ के खाइए
खूप चांगला.
खाइए
Ooh, so
for you.
so
Yeah.
beautiful. Thank you.
अभी ना आप तीनों जन इस रूम में शिफ्ट हो जाइए उधर ही आपका ही भी हैंडल लगाते हैं आराम से बैठ
Okay. You have to shift to another.
Thank you.
थैंक यू
So guys, in this section we have to make it dry and we have to give color and design whatever you want to do.
कैसे आहे?
खूप छान. खूप छान.
Nose. I want thak. मला थकते.
This one is mine, guys. See? I just made and I just give heart shape. It's like simple finish, but Bita is doing so good. See. So guys, हमने finish किया. Show Bitu.
It got finished.
Wait, I will show you. Wait. So ये जो है बिटा ने बनाया देखो. क्या? ये मेरे सिस्टर ने ये मैंने हार्ट और साइड से हार्ट की डिजाइन बनाई है. So Bitu, how it was?
It was really good. When we came here, I didn't feel how time passed.
हाँ.
Because whenever you are doing some art like painting or pottery or something like this, you will not be in thinking. You will just be in present and you will just try to make something and create. So that's why, because of the creation and because of the like being in the present and focusing, you feel so free. Making something with your own hand gives so good feeling.
और बहुत दिन से बिटा का मन था कि चलो कुछ तो बनाते हैं पॉटरी से, चलो चलो, तो फाइनली वो ड्रीम भी पूरा हो गया बिटा का. तो इसका हम एड्रेस भी डाल देंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन में और कमेंट में भी डाल
If
देंगे
you are in
एड्रेस.
Pune, don't forget to come here. I feel for just making your mind free.
Saturday Sunday you can
creating
come with your
something with
friends.
your hand
Means
is so good.
they have option like you can come alone with friend or group of friends also you can come.
And they have different sections. Like if you want to make pottery with wheel, if you want to make with hand, or if you want to do group workshop, like
so
all of
options
you
are
something.
there. It was so good.
We chose making with wheel, and it turns out like this. It became good. Now they told us after 2 weeks it will be ready. I think they will put it in fire, and then we wrote our name also below it. After 2 weeks it will be ready.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So guys, don't forget to come here, especially for Saturday, Sundays with your friends. It will be very nice experience.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.